everyone, and today we are doing something that I've been dreading for the past month or so, but honestly shit has to get done. Was so freaking nervous about doing this because I don't want to confront the fact that I have so much clothes. But yeah, let's get this closet declutter started. It's gonna be a long one, so I hope you stick with me and get organized if you like, or you don't have to. Just I hope you enjoyed this video. Before I get into the closet declutter, I do want to disclose something real quick, just for people who haven't watched my closet declutters before. I do stay in my living room. It's kind of like my studio space, and the reason why is because of just the amount of light that I get in this room, and for mental health reasons, honestly, because this space, this section of the house makes me really content. That means that my closet storage is basically everywhere else around this house. I have my closet in the hallway and it's divided. There's a hallway closet that I use to store my clothes, but I also use the other kind of hallway closet drawer situation that I have. I'm in the process of doing like an office space in the back, so I have my clothing rack back there, as well as laundry and clothes that I need to haul and stuff. So yeah, there's just clothes everywhere. Anyways, if you are interested in some of the stuff, I will be having like a donate pile, but also things that I will be posting on my Depop. I don't think by the time I upload this video that I would have the stuff on my Depop yet, but definitely follow me there if you're interested in any of the items. I'll probably update you on my community page on YouTube once I put the stuff online. Long intro, my bad, but it's needed. So now let's just get into the closet declutter. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, I forgot. Lisa's not here, so I gotta do this myself. Yeah. This is my hallway space. Usually my organization just starts going down within the first month, and I honestly think it has to deal with like just thrifting a lot. I don't have the best organizational skills, and I personally love to have my clothing hanging, but because of how my closet situation is, yeah, I have to deal with this stuff, and I don't know why I randomly end up putting things here. I know for me, if I don't visually have it out, I honestly wouldn't know that what I have in my closet, so I know I have to take it all out. There's a lot of things that I feel like honestly don't fit me, and that's perfectly fine, you know. Right here I have typically my bottoms, so I have like different colored bottoms, jeans, skirts, and shorts, and then the top here, which is kind of the mess, is because it's basically all of like my clothing for sleeping and, you know, workout clothes. So it's typically the stuff that I use here the most. And then here's like my wardrobe clothing that I wear like every day here and there, because I feel like sometimes I look at this and I'm not inspired anymore, so I definitely want to change that aspect. Let's go in, take all of this stuff out, and then, you know, we'll start decluttering. Still have this while watching the debate, and honestly I need one of these because you see that pile? Like, it's gonna be a long video. This does not taste as good as I once opened it, so I know this will probably get me pretty good. Oh, I forgot to mention, I hope you're okay with the AC sound. It got hot in here out of nowhere, and I'm wearing a sweater, y'all. I don't want to be sweaty as hef, so I had to turn it on. Let's get into the piles. I'm gonna do a keep pile, a donation pile, and a sell pile. So those are my 3 piles, and let's get this video started. I'm gonna be doing a lot of fast forward, but also trying to talk through the process as well, so y'all know why this video is long already. So I'm just gonna grab whatever it is. Like, I honestly have to start with whatever I see here. It's these two pieces. I thrifted them at one of like my favorite thrift stores. This is the Hope of the Valley, and this one was at, I believe, Savers. They both ended up fitting a little tight. I did like them, but let's be honest, size 14 isn't my size. This one honestly is one of my faves, but it was so form-fitting and I couldn't zip it up that well, so it doesn't make sense for me to hold these items. So this Disney piece, oh, love it. I love when I find Disney pieces. This is in a size 22. Unfortunately though, when I put it on, it just wasn't the right length that I liked, and obviously I do not want to alterate this piece, so I think I'm gonna just end up putting it on my Depop. So yes. When I recently thrifted, even though this fits me baggy, I kind of like that because I could put sweatshirts underneath it. So this is the Disney piece I will be keeping. This is this amazing Disney jean jacket sweater that I got from, I believe it was Good Fare. Definitely gonna keep that. Keep it because it's sentimental, and honestly it's just one of those pieces that I always wear during the winter. I got this actually in Italy, so it was just an H&M in Italy. Now, it got cold and I didn't have any outerwear piece out there, so this reminds me of Rome, so that I keep it. Or was it Florence? I can't remember which one. And I'm finally finding jean jackets, but I'm just like not a big fan as I thought I would. Like, I think I love myself a leather blazer instead. So I found this one at the bins, y'all. Y'all saw that, and it's so stunning, but like, I'm not a Betty Boo fan, so why am I gonna keep this one? This one's a little bit more dainty, but I love the length of this one and that it has corduroy, so I think I might keep this one. I don't know, this one's too good though. Sentimental piece, y'all. I wear this to both of my community college and UCLA graduation, so it's just a dress that I keep. So I don't really get to wear this dress that often. I think it's because maybe the prints were just too big. So I think I'm just gonna end up reselling for this piece because it is very special to me. I don't wear it, but this used to be my dad's like jacket. It's like what I used to call like his bro pack jacket, and so I keep it. It's one of the items that I have that is his because I was so dumb and I donated all of his clothes when he passed away. So yeah, let me just speed up this process real quick.
I wanna see you every night. I wanna hold you so tight. Remember your burgundy dress, the one you wore the night we met. Remembering the night we kissed, can't forget the taste of your red lips. You're my dream girl. You're my dream girl. You're my dream girl. You're my dream girl. At the park, you and me, I know you're the one for me. Let's hang out under a tree. K-I-S-S-I-N-G. I just hope that you notice me. I can be your one and only. You're my dream girl. You're my dream girl. You're my dream girl.
Alright, I brought you this way for perspective because that way you can see everything. This whole pile right here, like literally huge pile. That's what I'm going to be posting on my Depop. And then I have a pile on the floor. That's going to be the donation pile. I already have one bag here for donation. I'm going to change that bag. And this is my keep pile. It's everything that I own, so I think it's relatively okay. It's what I'm telling myself. But yeah, I have all like my bottoms on here, and then everything that I can hang is like right there. All I have to do is put it back in the closet. The selection process, it's done. I'm gonna be doing this more often, and I feel like since like a lot of trends are coming in, and you know, since I'm always thrifting, I need to declutter, honestly. So let me put this stuff in bags the stuff that I'm selling and then donating, and then we'll move to putting everything back into the closet. So another quick time lapse. Let's do this bitch.
How do you do it to look so effortless? I just wanna love you, but I know you need to. It'd be easier if I never saw you again. You'll be down the street, so I know I'll see you soon. Could you leave me like everyone else? Is it fate or just bad fortune? You've got me talking to myself.
So now it's time to tackle all of this clothes that is going back into my closet and my clothing rack. This is what I was dreading. I think I'm just gonna speed it up and not really show you putting it into the closet, because that's a whole other thing that, you know, organizing and stuff. But I'll do a little time lapse, and then when I come back, my closet will be finished and I'll show you how it came out.
See you around the city. When you cry, you look so pretty. I see you around the city. When you leave, you look so pretty. I see you around the city. When you cry, you look so pretty. I see you around the city. When you leave, you look so pretty.
Hey, so we are back, and now my closet is done. Finally, honestly, it feels so nice to just get this done, because it has been something that I've been dreading for like months now. Not like particularly the most organized. I feel like basically based on the closet situation that I have right now, still trying to figure it out. So this is what's been working for me, but obviously hasn't worked the best because you saw the mess earlier. So on this side is the drawer section. I honestly do not know what to call this section, but basically it's supposed to be like storage for like towels and stuff, since it's close to the bathroom. But y'all, I had to use it for clothes. On the middle row here, I have my pants, my printed style or trouser pants. I have my shorts and skirts. I have some muscle tees, and then on the other section I have my like sweaters and sweatpants, and then in the bottom it's all like pajamas, underwear, bras, and t-shirts that I used to sleep. And then we have my closet over here. So what I did, I went with color coordination. You know, sometimes when I just want to wear, like today, a green top, I could just easily go into the green and find something. So I made it that way. And then towards the back on this section of the closet, I have all my dresses. Those are more like longer dresses. And then the top, I have shorter dresses, because it's just like a small little pole rack on the top. So I put like shorter dresses up there, as well as the rest of the hangers, which I have hangers, y'all, which never happens. Yeah, so it goes from colorful to neutrals. And then towards the back, I have my heavier coats. Like I have one heavy coat, and then I also have like more of my leather jackets back there, ones I don't really pull out as much. Yeah, everything fits perfectly nice and so glad this is done. I can finally close the doors on these, and let me take you back to my living room to show you how much we decluttered. So, and as you can see here, this is all of the stuff I have decluttered. It's about 5 bags that I'm going to donate right here, and then the green bags behind me, which is 4 of them, are the stuff that I'm going to freaking sell on my Depop. Just have to like take the photos and stuff, so it might be a little bit until I get to do it. All right, everyone, so that was everything in my closet. So happy that I was able to get rid of like half of my closet, which is insane. I honestly need to do this more often because I don't want to get to a point where it's like literally half of my closet. So this definitely has to be done every, I don't know, at least every 2 to 3 months. I feel like the last one I did was like 6 months ago. All right, that is all for me, everyone. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a like. And if you are new, please hit the subscribe button down below. If you also want to keep up to date with me throughout the week, you can follow my Instagram. It is Living as Karina. Thank you, folks, and I'll see you soon. Bye.